Yes, thank you very much, Sophie. We do need to keep a close eye on the forecast for tomorrow because those winds are going to strengthen even further. We're expecting some damaging winds, some very stormy weather across the country throughout the day tomorrow. Now let's get into the detail then quite quickly. If we look out into the satellite picture at the Atlantic at the moment, doesn't look very much, but this is our deepening area of low pressure. Ahead of that, we've got a bit of cloud. There are some showers around to the north and the west. A few of these are wintry. We could see some snow across the high ground of Scotland. But for many, it's a windy day out there. Some strong gusts at times through this afternoon, but it should be dry with some sunshine around. Temperatures just about getting into double figures in Cardiff and Plymouth with highs forecast of 11 degrees. This evening, we keep a few of those showers to the north and the west for a time, but with many clear skies, it will turn a touch chilly during the first part of the night. So there is a short-lived risk of some ice where we've seen some showers during the day. Temperatures at first will dip fairly close to freezing to the north, a touch higher further south. But it really is this deep area of low pressure that we need to keep an eye on out in the Atlantic. Moving through in towards, as we go into the early hours of the morning, it bumps into that cold air, so we'll see a spell of snow for a time across parts of Scotland, some sleet and then some rain. So during the early hours of Thursday morning for Scotland, as some of that snow melts, a really wet start, a lot of water lying on the ground first thing in the morning and some heavy rain elsewhere. But it's the focus of these winds, an exceptionally windy day. Quite widely, we'll see gusts of winds to 50 to 60 miles an hour, a squally band of rain moving south across parts of England and Wales. The strongest of the winds across the northern half of the country where we could see some disruption. But the main focus of concern is central and southern Scotland. Gusts to 70, 80 miles an hour, possibly even stronger through the central lowlands. So the Met Office have issued their highest level of warning, a red warning due to the strength of the wind. We could see some disruption, even some structural damage as we go through the afternoon on Thursday. Temperature-wise, 6 to 7 in the north and a milder day further south, 11 or 12 degrees, despite those strong winds and the rain. But it's behind this band of rain later on the day on Thursday, as that clears away, a very different story of weather to come through Friday. We're back into the cold air, a strong wind yet again in the north, and we'll see some snow showers to the north and the west. So feeling much colder by the time we get to Friday. And also for the weekend, we'll need to keep an eye on those wintry showers. But for now, all eyes really on the focus of those exceptionally strong winds to come throughout the day tomorrow.
Nina, thank you very much.